Hello guys, or Sawadee Krap. Today my insurance policy finish to my motorbike, and now I am going to the office, insurance transport office, Phuket Island. And today you can look how can make Thai insurance for motorbike. I think it's a very interesting video. Let's go together.
Hearts beat to the city streets. We began to feel the fire. We rise like tall buildings as the chemicals they take us higher. The night's young, it has just begun as she puts her hand in mine. We wanna chase the night, wanna dance to the light, pull the stars from the sky, just two hearts running wild. Never sleep, never stop, as we shout from the top. We're gonna be two hearts running wild. Now the morning.
And what? Wait. Maybe people too. And now cannot Thai people tell staff tell what have problem for electric and don't have electric maybe. And we just wait. Why you come to here?
ไฟดับ
Huh?
ไฟดับ ไฟดับ
Fight up.
ไฟดับ
What mean fight up?
ไม่มีอิเล็กทริก
Don't have electric, yes. And transport office have too much people. And he make insurance motorbike and people sell and buy motorbike here too. And not only motorbike and another transport too. Okay, have electric and we back office for buy
Bye.
insurance.
ไฟเวท
And you see people too much already. And we just give book for car, maybe for motorbike, and wait, staff insurance tell who come and we pay and he make insurance. Just wait.
your number telephone your phone
324
you put me and I tell you
เดี๋ยวด้านหน้า9616 431ค่ะป้าย4791เบอร์โทรของเราแจ้งได้เลยค่ะ094ค่ะ58ค่ะ0571สักเท่าไหร่สแกนด้านหน้าเลยค่ะทะเบียน1898 646ค่ะ
600.
640ค่ะ
Check.
ค่ะ
5 อะไรนะคะ646ค่ะมี640ของใครคะ
This check.
ทะเบียน8005
ของน้อง646ค่ะมิสเตอร์โอนไลน์ที่640
ยูเปโม6 บาท
6 baht.
ใช่
6 บาทค่ะ9791 633ค่ะ
Finish? And but I don't remember how many time, how long time
1 year
insurance. 1 year?
1 year you just check for you or not Mr. Constantine here you pay again 19
And I just showed how looking insurance for Thai. This paper, this my name, day to day, and how many I pay, how much I pay. Insurance and insurance can use 1 year. And okay, it's easy. Don't long time for make new insurance for motorbike car. You will see. Just come office, give document, and Thailand people who have transport, say motorbike, bicycle, or maybe car, just have book, special book. I show you this book. If you have motorbike, you have this book, and he have color green book. People who have car have same book but have blue color, blue book, and have name same color, green book or blue. If Thai people tell green book, it's mean document for motorbike. If Thai people tell blue book, it's document for car. And okay, finish. Today I make insurance. I just take video and show for you how people can make insurance for your transport. Today I make insurance for my motorbike. Okay, thank you for watching my video. Please subscribe my YouTube channel. It's very helpful my YouTube channel. See you next time, bye guys. Bye bye.